In today's video, we're going to address a common issue on WhatsApp. Recently, I encountered a problem where audio from one status overlaps with the audio of the next status when viewing them in the WhatsApp app. Let me explain this issue more clearly. Whenever I view a status from one contact and then move to the next contact status, the audio from the previous status continues to play along with the current one. This creates a frustrating overlap of audio between statuses. Now, let's talk about how you can fix this issue. From my observation, this problem seems to have started after a recent iOS update. While we can't say for certain that the update is the cause, it might be contributing to the issue. A permanent solution could come in a future update, but in the meantime, here's what you can do to address the problem right now. First, check if there's an update available for WhatsApp. Open the App Store, search for WhatsApp, and see if an update is listed. If there's an update available, install it immediately. Often, app developers release updates to fix bugs and glitches like this one. If updating the app doesn't resolve the problem, the next step is to reboot your iPhone. Simply power it off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. A reboot can sometimes resolve minor glitches. Additionally, check if your iPhone has any pending iOS updates. To do this, go to Settings, tap on General, and select Software Update. If an update is available, install it. Apple frequently releases updates to address software bugs and compatibility issues, which might resolve this problem as well. If none of these solutions work, you may need to wait for a new iOS or WhatsApp update to fully address the issue. In the meantime, I hope these steps help you mitigate the problem. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.